Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to read an image using Python and openCV. The first thing that we need is the PY file. Next we need to import the openCV library. Then we need a variable that this variable will read our image. Here we need the name of the path for our image. As you can see, the image and the script are in the same folder. So since the parent is waiting for a relative path, so we'll write this. Next, we need to show the image in a window with the command im show. The first parent is the title of the window. The second parent is the image. At the end, we can add a wait key in order to wait that the user press any key in order to end the program. I'll save the script and I'll open a new terminal. I will run the script with this command. Python example. So as you can see, our image is running in a window, and that's it. Now the program is waiting for the user press any key, so I will press any key. That's all. So thanks guys for watching the video. I hope I helped you.